Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on the application of X app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about X and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.